guys, welcome to Guitar Yourself, the DIY budget-friendly guitar building channel. Today, we're going to answer the question, what am I going to do with this? Alright guys, so today I'm going to dedicate this video to my little brother Jimmy. Jimmy was a master luthier and taught me everything that I know about do-it-yourself guitar building. Unfortunately, a few years ago, he passed away. And when he did, he left me not only a bunch of guitars, but a bunch of parts, including this beautiful Fender neck. Now, I'm pretty sure this came off of a Powerhouse Strat. And it's got beautiful frets. It's a beautiful maple neck. And it's got the vintage Fender tuners and a bone nut. And it just feels beautiful. It's beautifully played in. So I know he used this guitar for probably quite a while. So when I picked it up and was looking at it, I had to, of course, say, what are we going to do with this? It's too beautiful just to let it sit around. Well, what do we do here on the channel? We build guitars. So the video this week is not going to be a build video. That's coming up later. But what we are going to do is do an unboxing, because I've already gone ahead and ordered the parts that we need to make this guitar. But I also rooted through a bunch of boxes to see what parts I already have. You're not going to go ahead and order parts for a guitar if you don't need them, all right? And check this out. One of the things that I did get and I got out of the box was this. I found this gorgeous pickguard. Okay, it's a black pearloid, and it's got these chrome pickup covers and the chrome knobs, and it's just really pretty. This, by the way, is going to be a flashy guitar. And it also has a set of actual Texas specials in it, so they're nice and hot, and an obsidian wire harness. So you can't really beat that. So there's really no soldering or anything to be done for me on this build. Love that. But what we did go ahead and order was a body and a bridge. Okay. Now this guitar originally came with a 2-point trim. This one that we're building is not going to have a trim. It's going to be a hardtail. Okay, I did order a hardtail body. Now, all the parts that I ordered, I'm going to put links in the description below, so you'll be able to click on those and check them out. Whenever I'm ordering parts for a DIY build, you're going to find that there are going to be two places that are your best friend, okay, especially when you're working on a budget. The first place is, of course, well, Amazon. Amazon has got parts, all right, and all kinds of parts. And they've got high quality parts really cheap. Okay, you can get things that are really nice as long as you look and read what you're getting, and of really high quality for a good price. The other place, and one of my favorite places to go for parts, especially necks and bodies when it comes to parts casters, is Guitar Fetish. All right, Guitar Fetish makes some of the best replacement bodies and necks that you can buy for very little money. Okay, very, very little money. So I've got here, right in this box, I've got the body that we're going to be unboxing, and I've got the bridge and string ferrules that we're going to be using in this build. Okay, so let's get to unboxing this beautiful body. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get the unboxing going here. We're going to go ahead and take our knife. We're going to go ahead and cut our tape here. And there we go. Let's see here. Now, like I said before, this is going to be a flashy build. This is a XGP body, which I've had before. I've ordered them before from Guitar Fetish, and they are fantastic. They already come finished and drilled to direct Fender specifications. Matter of fact, the owner of Guitar Fetish uses his own Strat as the specs, so they're accurate. Okay, here we go. Let's get this thing open. Now, I've used these XGP bodies before in the past, and man, I got to tell you, they are fantastic. They really are. We put the sharp objects down. We don't want to hurt ourselves. Let's go ahead and it's very well packaged. It's double boxed. See here, we got the bubble wrap in there. And here's our guitar body. Comes in another box. So, and look, more bubble wrap in there. So you can see it's very well done. Very well packaged. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. Let's see what side we're gonna open. Let's go ahead and do this side right here. There we are. All right, and I'm seeing this when you're seeing this. I'm seeing this for the first time. So the packaging came undamaged. It didn't look like there was any damaging at all to the packaging. And like I said, it was packaged so well, it should be beautiful. So let's see what we got here. Let's get her out. All right. Here we go. Get rid of that box, and you can kind of already tell it's red. All right. Let's pull this down. Oh boy. Look, guys, look at this. Would you take a look at that? Yeah, this is called Big Red Flake. All right, like I said, I'll have the link to the body in the description below. And man, would you just look at this? That's fantastic. I'm looking over the body itself, and it just seems to be finished to absolute perfection. This is beautiful. I don't see any finished imperfections at all. It looks like they cleaned out the buffing compound in the body cavity. It's already drilled for the ferrules. You can see there, and drilled in the back for the ferrules. Now, the only drilling that you will have to do, of course, have to do some drilling. You're going to have to drill the pickguard holes. All right, that's easy. And really, you kind of want to do that anyway, because all pickguards, wherever you order them from, are different and aren't going to line up with existing holes. I can guarantee it. Just about 99% of the time, they won't line up. So you're going to place your pickguard on here, get it all lined up nice and perfect, and then you'll just go ahead, mark your holes, and then drill them, and then you're good to go. Same with the bridge. You're going to have to drill your mounting holes for the bridge, okay? But that's really simple to do. And when we do the build video, I'm going to show you how to actually put the neck on, line it up, and mark those holes so you can accurately drill them, and then just bolt on your bridge. All right, but here you go. XGP is the brand, and I'm telling you, they are just fantastic. This is gorgeous. This is going to be one beautiful guitar. There's no question about that. All right, you'll also have to, of course, drill out your mounts for your straps, okay? So your strap buttons here and here, those will have to be drilled, but that's super easy. Nothing there. Your neck mounting holes are already drilled and good to go. I already have a Fender base plate too that's gonna go on the back of here. So yeah, and as you can see, this is drilled out to accept anything in here. So you know, we're gonna be doing just 3 single coils, but you could do humbucker, single coil humbucker if you wanted to, or you could do humbucker, single coil. Pretty much any setup that you would want to do will be capable in this body. You can see they even have the extra deep grooves here built in, okay, already routed if you wanted to do direct mount pickups. So yeah, it's good to go. This thing is gorgeous. So let's take a look at the other parts that we got. All right, so now, like I said before, I ordered a bridge. There'll be a link down below to the company that I used, but it's a really pretty bridge. And I ordered string ferrules. All right, this is a really nice hip shot style, okay, bridge, and brass, beautiful brass saddles. All right, nice brass saddles. So adjusting the bridge should be quite easy and painless. So this has a, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-screw mounting system. So it'll be held in there really, really well. And again, we'll go over getting this bridge mounted up. And of course, string ferrules. You know what string ferrules look like. I don't need to show you those. Hey guys, don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on Guitar Yourself when we build this gorgeous guitar.